In today's video, let me show you the steps that you need to create an account of Spotify. Spotify is a popular music streaming platform. In order for you to create an account on Spotify, either you can use the mobile app or the website of Spotify. For this video, we're going to use the website. You can also follow along using the app. You'll need to first of all download the app of Spotify onto your device and then follow along. You can just search for Spotify, and the first option you'll see is the website of Spotify, which is open.spotify.com. Now, once you're inside of the website, in order for you to sign up, click on the sign up button on the top right of the screen. To get started, you need to type in your email address. If not, and if you don't want to use your email address, you can also use your Google account or your Apple account to sign up to Spotify. You just need to select your accounts and you will be immediately signed up. For this video, we're just going to use the email address. Type in the email address and then click on next. In the next step, you need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including at least one letter, one special character, and the password must be at least 10 characters long. Once you've created your password, you can now click on next. In the next step, you need to type in the name that you want to display on your profile section so that others can find you as well. Select your date of birth, select your gender, and then click on next. Lastly, you need to accept the terms and conditions of Spotify. So just click on the third option. If you want to get notified for any new news or offers, you can check these boxes as well. If not, click on sign up. And there you go. You have been now successfully signed up for an account of Spotify. You can now start streaming your favorite music and songs on this platform. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.